Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 effective and beginner-friendly ways to treat mealybugs and aphids on plants, whether you are growing indoors, outdoors, or in containers. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. If you have ever noticed sticky leaves, curled growth, white cotton-like clusters, or tiny insects gathering on stems and new leaves, chances are you are dealing with aphids or mealybugs. These pests are extremely common and affect houseplants, vegetables, herbs, and ornamentals alike. Seeing them for the first time can be frustrating, but the good news is that they are very manageable when treated early and consistently. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that come in green, black, brown, or yellow colors. They usually gather on tender new growth, flower buds, and stems. Mealybugs are slightly larger and easier to spot because of their white, fuzzy coating. Both pests feed by sucking sap from the plant, which weakens it over time and can cause stunted growth, leaf yellowing, and dropped flowers. They also produce a sticky substance called honeydew, which can attract ants and lead to mold growth. Let's go through 10 proven ways to treat mealybugs and aphids effectively. 1. Isolate the affected plant immediately. As soon as you notice signs of aphids or mealybugs, move the affected plant away from your other plants. This is especially important for houseplants and container gardens, where pests can spread quickly. Isolation prevents the infestation from spreading and makes treatment more focused and manageable. Keep the plant separate until you are confident the pests are gone. 2. Inspect the plant thoroughly. Before applying any treatment, take time to inspect the entire plant. Look under leaves, along stems, at leaf joints, and around new growth. Aphids and mealybugs often hide in hard-to-see areas. A thorough inspection helps you understand how severe the infestation is and where to focus your efforts. This step also helps prevent missing pests that could restart the problem later. 3. Remove pests by hand. For light infestations, manual removal is surprisingly effective. Aphids can often be wiped off with your fingers, a damp cloth, or a soft sponge. Mealybugs can be removed using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Gently dab the pests directly, making sure not to damage the plant tissue. This method kills the insects on contact and works best when repeated every few days. 4. Rinse the plant with water. A strong spray of water is one of the easiest ways to reduce aphid populations. Use a garden hose outdoors or a sink or shower indoors. Focus on spraying the undersides of leaves and along stems where pests hide. While this method may not eliminate all insects, it significantly reduces their numbers and weakens their grip on the plant. Repeat as needed, especially during active infestations. 5. Use insecticidal soap. Insecticidal soap is a reliable and safe treatment for aphids and mealybugs. It works by breaking down the insect's outer protective layer, causing them to dehydrate. Spray the soap directly onto the pests, making sure to coat all affected areas. Always follow the product instructions and avoid spraying during the hottest part of the day to prevent leaf damage. 6. Apply neem oil consistently. Neem oil is a natural solution that interferes with pest feeding and reproduction. It is effective against both aphids and mealybugs when used regularly. Mix the neem oil according to the label directions and spray the plant thoroughly, including hidden areas. Neem oil works best as a repeated treatment, so apply it every 7 to 10 days until the infestation is under control. 7. Prune heavily infested areas. If certain leaves or stems are heavily covered with pests, pruning them off can greatly reduce the infestation. Use clean scissors or pruning shears and remove the affected parts carefully. Dispose of the removed plant material in the trash, not compost, to avoid spreading pests. While pruning may seem drastic, it often gives the plant a better chance to recover. 8. Control ants around your plants. Ants often protect aphids and mealybugs because they feed on the honeydew these pests produce. If you see ants climbing your plants or pots, addressing the ant problem is essential. Use sticky barriers, ant traps, or natural deterrents around the base of plants or containers. Reducing ant activity makes it much easier to control pest populations. 9. Encourage beneficial insects outdoors. If you are gardening outdoors, beneficial insects can be a powerful long-term solution. Ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies feed on aphids and help keep their populations in check. Planting flowers like marigolds, dill, and alyssum can attract these helpful insects to your garden. This method works best as a preventive strategy rather than a quick fix. 10. Adjust care habits to prevent repeat infestations. Healthy plants are less attractive to pests. Avoid over-fertilizing, especially with nitrogen-heavy fertilizers, which encourage soft growth that aphids and mealybugs prefer. Make sure plants are getting the right amount of light, water, and airflow. Regularly check your plants so you can catch problems early before they become severe. Consistency is the most important factor in pest control. Treating aphids and mealybugs is rarely a one-time task. Check your plants every few days and repeat treatments as needed. Early action makes a huge difference and prevents minor issues from becoming major infestations. It is also important to remember that pest problems are not a sign of failure. Every gardener deals with them at some point. What matters is learning how to respond calmly and effectively. Over time, you will become more confident in spotting pests early and choosing the right treatment. With patience, observation, and consistent care, most plants recover fully from aphid and mealybug infestations. Focus on maintaining overall plant health, and pest problems will become much easier to manage. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of 10 ways to treat mealybugs and aphids on plants. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!